What if I told you the best AI video generator on the planet, yes, the one used for insane cinematic results, can actually be used for free? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. This tool, which usually costs a hefty $250, is producing results like this.
We're not prompts! We're not prompts!
Where is the prompt writer to save you from me? Where is he? You still believe we're made of prompts?
And in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can start using Veo 3 without spending a dime. Here are some examples I've personally created using this tool. Use it for zero cost, and just take a look at these results.
I found it how to get it for free.
Impressive, right? Now, to show you it's legit, here's a real-time example. Let me give it a prompt like, a leader of apes with alpha instincts guiding his tribe. It usually takes between 3 to 5 minutes, and here's the resulting video.
We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore.
Unreal, right? Incredible visuals and powerful voice acting. Now, if you're thinking, I paid for a subscription because you noticed the Pro icon, let me explain. If I search for V03 and click this Gemini link, it redirects me here. Then if I go to the subscription section, you'll see I'm getting Google AI Pro absolutely free for a month. Initially, V3 wasn't even part of the Pro plan, but if you click into the details, it clearly mentions access to advanced models like 2.5 Pro, deep research tools, and limited time video generation through V03. Another route lets you tap into their cinematic AI storytelling tool built using V3. So yes, there are two ways to unlock V3 for free. One is directly through Gemini. The other, I'll cover that later in this video. If you're struggling to find this exact page, just head over to this URL, gemini.google/subscription. You'll land on the same page. Click on Get Started, select Google AI Pro, then hit Agree and enter any debit card details. But don't stress, it won't charge you anything. It's a genuine 1-month free trial. You can cancel anytime after using it. Once you've done that, you now have access to V03. There are a couple of access methods. First, via Gemini, but note, it doesn't support image uploads, only text to video prompts. For image to video, you'll want to go through Flow AI. Just search for it or use this URL. Click Create with Flow and you'll see a dashboard. Here you'll find options for text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. Unfortunately, the last one is only available for Ultra subscribers, but we still get both text to video and image to video tools. Let's test the image to video tool. I'll click on frames to video, upload this image, and enter the prompt. Then in the settings, make sure to select V03. V03 costs 100 credits for a single render, but if you switch to V2 in fast mode, it's just 10 credits. Though the high quality V2 option costs 200, I recommend using V03 and clicking Generate. Here are two output versions. This is the first. This is the second. Of course, your results always depend on your prompt. Inside the Pro plan, you're given 1,000 credits. If you think you're running low, you can head back to Gemini AI and generate more videos there. It's unclear how many videos you can produce using Gemini AI alone, but from my experience, it's roughly the same. So that's how you get full access to V03 for free. No gimmicks, no hacks, just a genuine 1-month offer from Google. Why not take advantage of it? That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.